Hi, good morning. This is the 15th of February and it's very frosty this morning, as you can see again, and that's a good job that I covered up the new clematis, wasn't it? This one down here, so less chance of the shoots getting damaged. Also good news, Charlie's laid another egg. Yes, today the 15th. There she is. Pity it's never going to hatch, isn't it? Hey Charlie? Is your egg ever going to hatch? No, I think not. So we can expect some more soon then. Right, this is the egg from 2016 on St Valentine's Day, the 2nd of February 14th 2016. This is the egg, and our poor old parrot. Hello Charlie, how are you? Yes, there's your egg over there, look. And I expect you'll be laying another one soon, won't you? Right, the parrot's been down here sitting on the egg, which is not fertilised, so very useless, aren't you? What's the matter? You haven't got a boyfriend? You didn't get a Valentine, did you? Oh well, sad old Charlie. Sad girl. Say hello, 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 Charlie, hello, hello. Half a pound of tuppenny rice, half a pound of treacle, that's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.